The Supreme Court of the United States has struck down US President Donald Trump's sweeping global tariffs, ruling that he exceeded his constitutional powers. In a 6-entry verdict, the court held that only Congress has the authority to impose taxes, including tariffs. Chief Justice John Roberts said the Constitution does not grant taxing powers to the executive. Justice Samuel Alito, Clarence Thomas, and Brett Kavanaugh dissented. The ruling invalidates tariffs imposed under a 1977 emergency power law, which Trump used to justify reciprocal duties on nearly every country, including heavy tariffs on India over Russian oil purchases. The Treasury had already collected over $133 billion, with the long-term impact estimated at $3 trillion. The Trump called the decision a disgrace but swiftly announced a new 10% tariff on all imports effective from February 24th for 150 days, using a different legal route. He said the verdict would not affect the India-US trade deal, insisting tariffs would continue in another form. The judgment marks the Supreme Court's first major check on Trump's economic agenda and reaffirms that tariff powers rest with Congress, not the President.